Integrated Rural Development Service Organization IRDSO WANGJING Thoubal District na SILLAGA Child Rights to Protection HAIBA HIRAM ASIDA District THAK Nongmagi Oiba Miyam Punna Wakhal Tamin-Nabagi Thouram among Ngasi Thoubal District Headquarter the LEIBA KSHETRI SANGLEN the Pangthok-Khre Thouram aduda Thoubal District Deputy Commissioner Hana Kamai MCPC RG Chairperson Kaisam Pradeep Kumar CWC Thoubal gi Chairperson Langpok Lakpam Ramen Maitei, ZEO Thoubal Y Achoba Singh, Manipur Lenga ki State Child Protection Society ki Program Officer, Malali Samna President Member Singh Oina Sarugyaki, Thoramadu Pangthok-Khre Maru Oiba Singh Thamladuna, IRDSO gi Chief Functionary Nonibala Narengbom Hai, Hauziki Matamgi Chahi Noriba Angang Singh na Thengnariba Makhal Makha Kayagi Singnaba Singh, Aikoi Punna Khangmin-Nabaga Lunina, Madubu Chumthokpada Stakeholder Pumna Magna Thodang Lominasi HAIBA Wakhalon, da haudok na bani mama mapa sing amadi angang sing na thawak tawnabagi damak larik tambani habigi wakhalon asi chumthok patangai fade angang sing khuding magta magi leiriba condition adugi matung inna career counseling pigadabani school sing da su RTE gi norms ngakna chatuna angang sing bu afaba lambida pusinba yamna darkar lei school amada angang singi darkar leiba amadi leifam thokpa pumnamak thamba yamna fai angang singi wakhalon bu achumba amadi afaba wakhal khalhanba yamna fai haiki child rights protection asi mapung fana thabakta onthoknaba village level child protection committee sing mapangal kannaba thabak sing paikhatpa grassroots level da child protection gi mechanism sing soliba asi hena kalhannaba thorang sing paikhatpa school management committee sing mathau ningtina pangthoknaba hena mapangal kalhan batai haiba wafam kayasu noni balana thamki ngasigi thoram aduga mari lenena athoiba mithung lengi warol piraduna Thoubal district ki DC hana kamaina phongdokibada hauziki matamda angang singi asoiba singasi identify toba tangai fade masida school sing amadi mama mapa singna choba thodang logadabani IDP singi angang singsu maru oina awareness kayam mapi batangai fade haiki ngasigi thoram aduda CWC Thoubal gi chairperson L Ramen Maitena strengthening child protection mechanism from the village to district level HAIBA HIRAM da wangangki ZEO Thoubal Y Achobana strengthening child protection through education and community involvement role of school and SMCs HAIBA SIDA aduga SCPC ki program officer Malali Samna integrating child protection with education building safe and environment for children HAIBA SIDA wangangki ngasigi thoramatu da SMC members sing women support group angang singi group Oza Singh community members sing amasung elected members sing su saruyaki